Good morning, my maker friends. Yes, it is early in the morning and I'm driving and it is cold as can be outside. Here in Albuquerque, New Mexico, it is like 23 degrees. Now, for those of you who don't live in the Southwest, yeah, you know, that is cold. It's desert cold though. If it's 23 in, New York or East Texas or Alabama, then you guys just want to die. We don't have that humidity here. So even though it is cold, we can still function pretty well. I'm just checking in with everybody this morning and just want to touch base and let everybody know that we've got some projects coming up. For those of you who've been watching my YouTube channel, you've seen a crazy eclectic conglomeration of things that I produce. As I said in my intro, I'm an entrepreneur and a teacher. I run a professional development division for the largest city in Albuquerque, or in New Mexico, that is Albuquerque. And, professional development, organizational development, leadership development are a big deal about what I do in my regular job. I'm also an entrepreneur and a business coach. And I do a lot of training and coaching of new businesses that are getting started as well. Maker Logic is one of those, experiments as well. But I also make stuff. I make videos, I make artwork, I'm a musician, I'm a woodworker. I was a construction person for a long time before I went into the education field, and built a lot of things. And so that's why my channel is kind of all over the place. But it really is about being a maker. And whether you're making video, whether you're making music, whether you're making woodworking products or furniture, whether you're making a mess, or most what I'd like to call making a difference. That's kind of what we're about. So we do have some great projects coming up. Going to be making some more furniture and some more accents for the house. I'm going to show you how to use pallet wood to do some of those things. Also, I'm going to put my wife in front of the camera. She's an introvert and she's camera shy. But she is an incredible baker, an incredible craftsperson. Right now, one of the projects she's working on is making cotton stems, which are, fake cotton stems that look like cotton balls on stems for wreaths and other things. And we're going to have a tutorial video coming up on that as well. So I just wanted to give you guys a morning update and let you know we've got some really cool things coming. Stay tuned. Please like, share, and subscribe. We really value your participation and your input. We are also going to be doing some camping coming up, and we'll be shooting some video for our RV section. Love that you guys love the RV video. It's great. We're really enjoying the RV, and we're going to be doing some more video on how we use some of it and some tips and tricks to go with that in our RV and travel section playlist. So anyway, stay tuned. Please share with your friends, subscribe. We've got some great stuff coming up, making a difference, making things happen, but mostly applying logic to everything that we make and do. So love you guys, and we'll see you in the next video.